And by the time the closing bell struck, there was a bit of recovery. Here's how it all shakes out. The Dow dropped 249 points. The S&P 500 fell 22 points to reach its lowest level in nearly 2 years. And the Nasdaq did relatively well, down just 5 points. So the market turmoil is something to think about, even if you don't invest in your company's 401k or you don't play the stock market. 10 News anchor Robert Santos looked into whether there is a connection between the stock prices going down and layoffs going up.
All eyes were on the stock market as it went for a roller coaster ride.
It used to be so fun checking them every morning. That's like the first thing I do when I wake up. Not now.
Each day, my annuity is going down lower and lower.
So 10 News wondered just how much a stock needs to drop before a company starts to lay off workers. Take Qualcomm, for instance. Throughout last year, its stocks consistently dropped. Then we got word of more than 1,000 workers being laid off. Bridgepoint Education experienced the same thing, and it too laid off workers.
We posed that question to San Diego State finance professor emeritus Dr. Tony Cherin.
In my mind, that's not necessarily an appropriate connection to make.
Dr. Cherin says companies could continue to have strong earnings, but its stock value could drop simply due to investors panicking and selling.
Everything that you can look at is going down.
He believes part of the reason for Qualcomm's layoffs were the result of earnings going down due to stiff competition from Samsung, not necessarily due to its stock dropping. He says workers concerned about layoffs at their companies should focus on other factors, including the overall financial health of their companies and the demand for its products.
Don't worry about I'm going to lose my job tomorrow.
Gilda is worried about something else.
If the stock market continues to go down, then I'm sure I will have to return to work.
Dina sees the bright side of the market turmoil.
Well, America's on sale. That's how I look at it.
She believes it's the perfect time to buy low, then sell high. Robert Santos, 10 News.